guys, Naturally Marked here. Welcome back to my channel. Before we get into this video, I see you, see me, so I want to see you. Press subscribe and become part of the fam bam. I want to give a special whoop whoop to Sylvia Anderson. You was the first person that commented on my last video, so girl, whoop whoop to you. Okay, you guys, this is going to be a really quick, simple infusing your olive oil with aloe vera. I've done this video before, but since I'm getting so many more views now, I decided to just remake it and show you guys how I infuse my aloe vera with my olive oil. There's two different ways that I do this. Sometimes I'll cook it on the stove, and sometimes I will put it in like a jar, a mason's jar, and do the canning method and leave it to like marinate for 30 days, and then I will strain the oil and then use it in my hair. And that's the way that I'm doing it this time. I have an older video of showing you guys what it looked like after 30 days, but I'm gonna just show you guys how I cut it up, put the oil in the jar pretty much, and voila, you have yourself aloe vera olive oil. So if you're interested in this video, then just keep watching. Okay guys, so that's how I infuse my aloe vera plant with my olive oil. Once again, it's just really simple. It gives your hair a lot more shine, a lot more moisture. So I really hope you guys enjoy these like DIY videos. If you do, please leave comments down below. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up and subscribe. And please check out my social media, my IG. Check out my IG, girl. And thank you guys so much for watching. Bye.